solo pudiera oír tu voz.
There she is, guys. You see it. Nice and dirty. What the heck? Dang. Yeah, I definitely gotta give her a wash. Today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow because I got a lot of stuff to do today. But she's looking very disrespectful. I'm sorry, baby. I got you tomorrow. Believe that. But how's it going, guys? What's good? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. As you can see, we got my baby behind us looking nice and dirty, but it's okay, I'm gonna get her right tomorrow. As you guys can see in the title and in the thumbnail, today we will finally be checking my oil catch can. I installed it about a month ago or so, and I haven't really checked on it at all. So we're gonna check it today, see how it works, see if it did work, see if we caught any oil and what else is in there, and we're gonna go from there. But before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because it helps the channel grow tremendously and I appreciate it greatly. So thank you guys so much, and without further ado, let's get started. We get a little cold start for you guys, man. See, we got the 13s on today. LouieXIII with the 13s. It's only right. But you know, we ain't going nowhere, but just for you guys, since I love you guys so much, give you a little cold start. See what it's sounding like.
No! God, please, no! No!
In case you guys ain't familiar, you know, got the bees on the seats. Red Alcantara suede with the Napa leather combo, you know. All the way in the back, got the red stitching and all that. You know how we do it over here, baby. Got that pedal box, just installed that. Shout out to my boy Jose. Go check out that video if you haven't already. But also another thing, before we get started, I explained why the oil catch can is so important. Probably the first mod that you should get to your vehicle, and I explained that in the video where I did the install and all that. So if you guys want to go check that out, if you haven't seen it already, go back about a month or so. It's in there. I've been dropping every single day, so you'll probably have to go back about 28 videos or so. You know what I'm saying? We on this hustle, baby, this grind. It ain't gonna stop anytime soon, and that's how we gonna do it. But yeah, like I said, I explained it all in that video. I will say it basically is for the longevity of your engine, so that's why it should be, if not the first thing, definitely one of the first things you do for your vehicle. It's just gonna help to keep a lot of gunk and contaminants out of places in your engine that they shouldn't be. So like I said, if you want more in-depth on that topic, go check that video and it's all there for you. All right, so we all good to go. You know, I like to put you guys in first person POV mode. That way you get a better view of it. That's gonna be the first step. Get up in there and boom.
Si tan solo pudiera oír tu voz, tus palabras, tus pensamientos, pero es mejor que me deje de ti.
As you can see, I got the red oil catch can to complement the red brake calipers and the red guts that you guys already seen. And this thing seems a little loose. Man, I gotta tighten that up. Actually, before we get started, let me go ahead and tighten that up before I forget. That's not good. Make sure your stuff's tight, people. Should I know about this? This is what it looks like if you're fighting me. Real quick, look. You're done. Ain't nobody taking that with the jewelry on. Y'all don't want it? Ooh, oh, you didn't see that one coming. Oh shit, dropping tools and shit. You guys didn't even know, huh? Don't trip. We got that Muay Thai content coming soon too. Take you guys, I haven't trained in a long time, but we're gonna get back to it here very soon. Stay tuned for that. But it looks like none of these are gonna fit. Just my luck. Are these all the same size? Got me out of breath and shit. That's how you know I ain't trained in a while, man. Y'all don't want it? You wanna go again or what? Where you coming from? Where you coming from? You didn't even see it coming. Boom! Boom! Where you at? I need to get back at it, man. I miss that. I don't think this is gonna fit either, so I'm probably gonna have to wait to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait to get that. Let's just go ahead and do what we're here to do, and I'll have to worry about that later. And the good thing about this is you don't need to undo anything. All you gotta do is unscrew it and see what you're working with. Like I said, it's been about a month and we are working with, oh, a good amount, man. Look at that. And I just got my oil changed recently. Smell like gas. But yeah, as you guys can see, we're working with quite a bit right there. So we're gonna go wash this out and then clean it up and put it right back up on there, man. You guys see it, man? Can you see it in there good? Check it out. Looks like some dark ass coffee or something, some mocha or some shit. So that's why you guys want to do it, man. That's why you guys want to get this oil catch can, because all of that would have been in your intake valves and, you know, would have been causing a lot of gunk eventually, and that's just stuff that you don't want going in certain places. Like I said, if you want more details, go to that other video, but this is exactly why. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour it in here just so you guys could see it. You guys see that? All that. That's what you're keeping out of there when you get one of these, man. These things really come in handy. You can see it all up in there. All that dark residue, oil, and whatever else is in there. Definitely don't want that going in certain places. So you could definitely tell that this thing comes in handy, man. That was about a month's worth. And like I said before, like you could change it every 3 months or so, you know, every 3,000 miles or whatever you feel like. I just wanted to do it because I just got that oil change, like I said, and just wanted to see how it's been working. So yeah, man, as you can see, it was about a quarter of the way full. Now we're just gonna rinse it off and put it right back on there. Make sure not to get the J's wet. Just turn it on a little bit, that way I don't get all splashed up. Now I'm just gonna rinse it out and then I'll wipe it down and it'll be good to go. Now there's probably different ways of cleaning this thing out. This is just the quick and easy way, you know. There's probably better ways to do it, but you know, I'm just doing it real quick, guys. And I'm just gonna get this little paper towel, get up in there. Make sure you get these grooves too, because if you don't clean these grooves good enough, it's gonna be real hard to take off when you go to take it off next time. Go up in there, get all that, not too hard, and boom, it's pretty much clean, guys. Like I said, there's gonna be people that, you know, go the extra mile when cleaning these, but for me, as long as I get these grooves clean good enough, there's gonna be more oil back in there pretty soon anyway, so I don't gotta go OD with it and, you know, super clean and sanitize everything, you know what I'm saying? As long as those grooves are good, then it's good with me. And boom, it's nice and clean. You guys see it? There's a little filter up here. I'm just gonna dab that down. I'm sure eventually you have to replace this filter that's up there, but you know, we're good for now. So I'm just gonna dab that down a little bit, and then boom, we're good to go. Screw this thing back on, and it's as simple as that, guys. Very easy to install mod. Probably one of the easiest ones I've done so far. And like I said, I have the whole DIY process. I got the whole video, and you know, I explained to you why this is good to have in that other video. So if you guys want to go check that out, you're more than welcome to. It's there waiting for you. But yeah, man, it looks good in the engine bay like that. Adds a lot to it if you get a certain color that's gonna pop off and go with the rest of your vehicle. Like I said, it's super easy to install. You see how it works. I mean, that's proof right there. When it comes stock, it's just a line from here to here. So all of that stuff would have been in your intake valves, and over time it gets gunked up and, you know, causes issues. And if you want your engine to last a long time, then this is a very good investment, and it's not too expensive either. And as you can see, we got the Momentum GT AFE power. Shout out to my boy Jose. Another thing he hooked me up with, I installed that recently as well. Got the whole DIY process to that. If you guys want to check it out for that, I did have to remove the whole bumper, and that was a process in itself. So I show you how to do it in that video, but I go into more depth in another video as well. So for the wide bodies, it's a lot different than from the narrow bodies. You got to do other stuff. So if you guys want to check that out, if you got wide bodies and you want to know how to remove the bumper and put it back on, putting it back on is really where it gets tricky. So I got that up for you guys if you want to check that out as well. But we're pretty much done in here. We go ahead and close that up. We go ahead and hop up in here, talk a little bit, man. So you guys see it, man. I mean, the oil catch cans, they work. They keep all of that oil and contaminants out of areas where you don't want them to go. You know, you get these vehicles, you pay a lot of money for them. They're nice vehicles. Don't just get those mods that make you go fast, man. Get those mods that are gonna allow you to keep going fast for a good amount of time. I highly recommend it for any vehicle, any naturally aspirated vehicle, because it's gonna keep your car consistent and doing what it needs to do. And I'm sure if you look around, there's gonna be a lot of people that say the same exact thing, because I did my research on it. I don't ever go into anything without doing research. I always make sure that I'm doing the right things and, you know, going through a couple different sources before I install something, or, you know, pick which brand to go with and all that. So that particular oil catch can I got from Speedlogics. I'm not sponsored or anything, so you guys could go through whoever you like. They're all pretty much around the same price, and they all got different colors and all that. Just make sure, you know, you do your research like I said, and make sure you're going through a reputable company, someone with a good rating. You know, look at several different sources of people that back them and say that they got a good product, and you'll be good to go, man. But other than that, man, I hope this helped you guys out. Pretty much showing you that it does work. It does what it says. It's not a myth. These things actually do work. They do a lot of good for the longevity of your vehicle, like I keep saying. So don't waste any time, man. The quicker you get on it, the better it's gonna be for you. If you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below, because it helps the channel grow tremendously, like I said, and I appreciate it greatly. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more than you know. Everything that I use and recommend, all links are in the description. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go check it out. It's all there for you. Other than that, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man.